How to create Alibaba account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Alibaba app in your device. Now launch it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now click on this option of My Alibaba. At the top, you will find the option of sign in or register. Click on it. With that, you will get different options. Click on the option of email. Now type in your email over here. After you type in, click on this arrow. Now click on this option of register. Now you have to fill this. First, you select your country or region and then type in your first name, last name. Generate password for your account. Once you fill this, click on the option of next. Now you will be receiving code in the email address that you have just entered. So you have to put that code over here. Close this and open your mail. You can see that I have received the mail from Alibaba team. You'll also receive similar kind of mail. Now you have to copy this code, launch the app and paste it. Click on create account. And with that, your account will be created. So this is how you can easily create Alibaba account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.